Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
To reset your smart TV to factory settings, first, locate the Settings menu. This can usually be found on your TV's home screen. Navigate to the Support, System, or General section, depending on your TV model. Look for an option that says Reset, Factory Reset, or Restore to Factory Defaults. Select it and confirm if prompted. Your TV will restart and erase all personal settings, returning it to its original state. Remember, this process cannot be undone, so make sure to back up any important data.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.